Good morning everyone. Today is 15th August. We are celebrating Independence Day. India became independent on this day. We hoist national flag on this day. Everybody sings the national anthem. Independence Day is the celebration of our freedom. This year, we are celebrating our 75th Independence Day. It is celebrated with full joy. Let's be proud to be Indians. Happy Independence Day to all.
Victory of Independence. Renu and Rehan, after dinner, were watching TV along with their father. Soon after completing the kitchen work, Mummy comes and gets angry when she sees three of them watching TV. You three have not slept yet? Tomorrow is Independence Day. Have to wake up early in the morning. Children have to go to school. You have to go to office. And you're still watching TV?
Children, come on, go to sleep. You have to wake up early. Sleep now. We are also going to sleep.
Okay, Papa. Let's go, Renu.
Good night, Papa. Good night, Mummy.
Good night.
Children go away.
What happened? Are you not well today?
I have a pain in my head. You also wake up early in the morning. Don't trouble me.
Yes, why not? Tomorrow is very important day for us. Tomorrow our country got independence.
The country got independence. But I don't know when will I get independence from household work. Okay, I'm going to sleep. Mummy goes to the bedroom. It becomes morning. Alarm rings. Wake up, it's 5. I have to get the children ready.
Okay, you wake up the kids. I'm coming from washroom.
Make it fast. Don't take much time. After saying this, Mummy comes to children's bedroom. Renu, Rehan, wake up. You have to go to school.
Mummy, please let me sleep.
Today is Independence Day. You forgot?
Oh yes, we have to go to school. We have to hoist the flag. Wake up, Renu.
Renu and Rehan wake up. Go and come out of the washroom fast. By the time I will make tea. Saying this, Mummy runs towards the kitchen.
Archana!
What happened?
Where are my shoes?
Have a look, it must be there. All the work has to be done by me. Children, come here. Tea and biscuits are ready. Mummy comes to the dining table with biscuits. Renu, Rehan and Papa come.
Archana, hurry up. After dropping the children to school, I have to reach office.
Yes, it's almost done. Mummy gives tea and biscuits to Papa and children. 3 of them eat biscuits and tea.
Come on, children. We are getting late.
Bye, Mummy.
Bye, children. Bye. The 3 of them go. Oh God, this headache has started again. Let me take some rest. Finishing the Independence Day program, children come back home with Papa. Bharat Mata ki Jai!
Vande Mataram.
Vande Mataram.
In the hall, they find Mummy sleeping.
Archana, is your health is more deteriorated?
You have come back? Oh, I haven't cooked anything yet.
Leave it. Did you eat anything?
No, not feeling well to get up.
It's okay. We will manage something. Children, wash your hands and come to the kitchen.
Children freshen up and come to the kitchen.
Children, what is there today?
Independence Day.
Right. What happened on this day?
We got independence.
Very good. So children, today we have to give your mummy independence from household work. She is not well today. We have to complete all the work. Come on, we will cook today.
Okay, Papa, tell us what to do. As per instructions, children offer helping hand to Papa and 3 of them cook together. After some time, food gets ready.
Mummy, food is ready. Come here.
What? Who made?
We 3 made this. Come on, come here and taste it.
3 of them sit at the dining table and start eating the food. Oh wow, the food is tasty. I didn't know you can cook food so well.
I didn't cook alone. There is hard work of children also.
Mummy, we forgot to say one thing to you.
What?
Happy Independence Day!
Oh, thanks. Same to you.
And Mummy, not only today, every day we will help you. And we will do all our works by ourselves, so that you don't have to worry.
Wow. Hearing this, my headache has vanished.
Really, this Independence Day was special for me. We got freedom from Britishers, but for our work, we are dependent on you. We have snatched your freedom. From today, we all are independent.
Bharat Mata ki Jai!
Vande Mataram.
Today is the 15th of August. It is India's Independence Day.
Happy Independence Day!
Mummy? Daddy? What are you wearing? Cake? Cake!
Today is India's birthday. It's called Independence Day. And it's a holiday.
What's
Independence.
Independence. What does that mean?
Independence is when you can do things on your own without any help.
Why is that important, Daddy?
It's a part of growing up, Bubble. And it makes us proud to see you become independent.
Like when you brush your teeth independently, it feels great, right?
From now on, I shall do everything independent.
Come on, kids. There is a celebration downstairs with a large kids zone to play. Come on, come. Let's go.
I'll push you, Bubble. No, Naz. I will swing on my own. Huh? But I always push the swing for you. Yes, but now I will do it independently. Oi, Bubble. Independent is no fun. Let Naz push you. See, Maddie is going so high. No, I told my mummy on my own.
Here, Bubble, let me push you.
No, thank you, Auntie Ayar. I will do it independently.
Well, that's wonderful, Bubble. I'm proud of you.
Aha! Grown-ups seem to like independent kids.
Nice try, Maddie. Shall I show you how to get it right?
No, thank you, Uncle Kapoor. Independently.
Wow, that's super, Maddie.
Looks like all the children want to be independent now.
Stop copying me, Maddie. It's India's Independence Day. You were copying India. Now I am copying you.
Bunny, shall I send Bubble to seesaw with you?
No, Auntie Kapoor. I want to seesaw independently.
Independently. Okay. Now that's great. But it's a bit tricky to seesaw alone.
I will still try, Auntie Kapoor.
Good luck, Bunny.
Happy Independence Day, India! I see that all the kids have understood the meaning of independence today. So, what shall we promise to do on our own from now?
Wait, I'll tell you. I promise to brush my teeth independently twice a day. In the morning and at night.
Yay! Well said, well said.
I promise to change my clothes independently. I promise to feed my dogs independently every day.
Well said, Div.
I promise to finish my tiffin in school independently every day.
Bunny.
I promise to pack my school bag independently every day.
That was absolutely wonderful, everybody. Happy Independence Day!
Happy Independence